Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I am taking part in an open collaboration. This is the holiday cookie collaboration for anyone to participate. Guys, I apologize. Every time the camera goes on, my dog is in the background drinking. Anyway, guys, I was invited to take part in this collaboration. I wanted thank Melissa from the Buckeye Girls and Lifestyle for inviting me. And this is hosted by Mama Friendly. I will leave the link on her channel in my description box below. And as soon as also the playlist comes available, I will link it in the description box so you guys can go and check them out. And this video is share any holiday cookies that you like to share. So I'm going to bring a which is a favorite of ours here, especially my husband, which is you know what, I'll let you follow along, because if I tell you what it is, you might click off the video and you will not watch it to the end. So let's get started. And for this one, I am pulling my beautiful friend, and you guys know that her name is Bertha. So Bertha is going to be working today. So let's get her ready. So we're going to get to it. So let me clean the bowl and then we are going to continue. All right, guys, here in your bowl, I move you this way so you guys can see what I'm doing there. In your bowl, you're going to add 2 sticks of butter. It has to be room temperature. It doesn't have to be melted, but it has to be enough that you could squeeze and make indentation, okay? So 2 sticks of butter. And I'm using the salted kind. You could use the unsalted kind, all right? So we're going to here we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and a half of brown sugar. Make sure that your brown sugar is light brown sugar and is packed. So we're going to blend this together until we have a nice brown into the butter comes fluffy. So we're going to beat it together, and that's gonna take about 4 or 5 minutes. And with that, we're going to continue. Okay, guys? Make sure that you scrape your bowl, because you want everything to be nice and mixed together. Okay, so keep mixing until it comes out nice and fluffy. Meanwhile, have 2 cups and a quarter, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. You could use your choice, store brand. I mean, I'm using gold medal. You're going to need a 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda. You're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. But remember, I am using salted butter because that's the one that I have. So I'm going to use just a pinch of salt. You're going the 2 sticks of butter right in there, which is one cup, and then you're going to need 1.5 cups of peanut butter. You're going to the sugar is in there. 3¼ cup of light brown sugar packed, which is basically uh, half a cup. And also you are going to need 1 cup of chocolate chip, your choice, and I will be adding sprinkles. That's going to be the holiday touch. And of course you are going to also need 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 egg at room temperature. So my mixing is coming together along. So now I'm going to stop the machine again and I'm going to scrape the bowl. So as you see this color here, and then you see on the around the bowl, you want that to be all mixed because you want your cookies to have all your cookies to have the same consistency. You know what I mean? You want your cookies to look the same. I don't know, you guys cannot see the color from there, but let's see. Okay. You see the different color inside the bowl. I don't know if you guys can see it. Some of it look lighter and some of it look darker. So you want to make sure that your consistency is all the same. The color is all the same. So let me add the other ingredients and I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, I added the peanut butter, the baking soda, and the egg. So now we are going to mix it again until everything is well combined. And you may have to scrape the bowl one more time. So remember, the ingredients that I gave you are what the recipe calls for, but for my cookies, I'm going to add 2 extra ingredients, which is going to be a little bit of ginger. I'm going to add, I'm going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon, which is the tiny little one, of ginger, and one of nutmeg, because we love it. It gives us such a holiday taste. So, okay, and now this is what you want it to look like. Hold on, guys. Let me bring you guys close. Don't forget, scrape your bowl. This is the color. You see how it looks? You see how you still have peanut butter here? You want to make sure that everything is nice and mixed before you add your flour. And see, I still have peanut butter over here. So I want to make sure everything in my bowl is nice and mixed together. Now what I'm going to add here is going to be my vanilla extra. I'm using Mexican vanilla, I believe. I think it's Mexican vanilla, but you could use any vanilla. Oh, geez. I'm telling you, never fails. So, you could use whatever vanilla you like. You could use the clear one. It does not matter, as long as you add your vanilla. All right, so I can stand messes. So let's continue. So I'll bring you back. All right, guys, everything is well mixed together. You see that beautiful color. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be changing my paddle to my hook because I'm going to be adding the flour and the chocolate chips, and it's going to get heavy. So maybe I could do it with the paddle. I don't know. Let's see. We're going to add the flour slowly, a little bit at a time. I'm going to add half. I'm going to mix, and then I have the other half. All right. I think I'm going to change to the hook. So now we're adding the chocolate chip. I added all the flour, okay, guys? So now I'm adding the chocolate chips. right. Let me grab another spatula because that one is just, whew. I forgot to add my sprinkles. I couldn't find my Christmas sprinkles, but I got this one, and this is just fine. So there you have it. And now, make sure, I don't know if I mentioned it, you gotta preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You are going to bake these cookies between 10 and 15 minutes, okay? So when I put them on the tray, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. There is no need to refrigerate this dough, but if you have to, you could, but you shouldn't have to. So it's ready to go. So guys, let's me clean this mess and then move on to the next step because I can't stand a messy kitchen. So guys, first batch going into the oven, and I'm leaving a space in between because you know they are going to expand. I made them smaller than usual. I usually make them big, but I want to make them smaller. So remember, my oven been preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put them on the top. So I'll bring you back when those are done. So see you in a few. Well guys, first batch is out of the oven. You want your cookie to be nice and brown. Ooh, it's hot. That chocolate is extremely hot. Okay, so I don't even know how many that I got. Let's see. 32 cookies. So guys, when they're all baked, I'm going to bring you back and give you the final presentation. And I will leave in the description box the recipe. And guys, these cookies, you could top them with anything that you like. I got some, of course, the chocolate chip peanut butter, then sprinkle and more chocolate chips on the top. And then over here, I have peanut butter with Hershey squares on top. So guys, they are delicious. I'm telling you, my children loved it growing up. My grandson loved them. So I will bring you back for the final review. Well guys, we are done and the cookies are done. I still have a tray baking in the oven, but for the purpose of the video, not to go so long, I'm going to show you what my cookies look like. Guys, they taste so delicious. So let's show you what the cookies look like. The ones in the oven are the one with the pieces of Hershey's, Hershey's little square on the top. Guys, so here is my delicious holiday cookies. They smell wonderful. Guys, so let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.